In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address on Wix. If you want to update the email connected to your Wix account, the process is pretty straightforward. And I will walk you through it clearly so you can do it without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you have access to both your Wix account and the inbox for the new email address you want to use, since Wix will send a verification code there as part of the security check. Start by logging into your Wix account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture or avatar. This will open a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From that menu, select Account Settings. This is where Wix stores the main details for your account, including your login information and security settings. After the account settings page opens, scroll down until you find the Login Info section. Take your time here and make sure you are in the right area, because this is where your current account email is listed. Next to your email address, click Edit, or click the pencil icon if that's what appears on your screen. Wix will then ask you to confirm your identity for security purposes. Enter your current Wix account password carefully. This step helps protect your account and prevents unauthorized changes, so it's a normal part of the process. After that, type in your new email address. You will usually need to enter it twice to make sure there are no typing mistakes. Double-check the spelling before moving on because even a small error can prevent you from receiving the verification code. Once everything looks correct, click Next. Wix will now send a 6-digit confirmation code to your new email inbox. Go to that inbox and look for the message from Wix. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder just in case it was filtered there. When you find the code, copy it or type it exactly as shown. Return to the Wix pop-up window, paste or enter the code into the verification field, and then click Submit. If the code is accepted, your email address will be updated successfully. And that's it. Thanks for watching.